Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. This is Healthy Lifestyle Tips. So today I just want to share with you people my favorite healthy breakfast ever. I can't stay a week without having this breakfast, so I'm gonna be sharing that with you people because as I tend to go on the journey of losing weight and losing my belly fat, so I eat lesser. So but with this breakfast it will last longer in me. I won't feel hungry, and it contains every necessary nutrient and vitamin that I need for the day while I lose weight and stay hydrated, strong, boost my immune system, glow my skin, yeah, and feel happier. So this is it. You see how thick it is? So if you want to know what I'm having in here, the ingredients that I'm having in here, please watch this video to the end and see for yourself. You will love it. You will love it. This is a whole meal for yourself and it will last you for a very long time. You won't feel hungry. So yeah, so let's go to the kitchen. Let's see what we're having. Thank you. Please do subscribe. Subscribe, please. Thank you. All right, guys, you're welcome to my kitchen. So we are going to be having one avocado already diced and two banana. So I'm just going to add them to the blender now. And we're going to be having handful of cashew nuts to add to it. I needed the cashew nuts. The oil is rich in zinc, iron, and high in protein. And of course, it's antioxidant. So it is necessary for me to add this cashew nut for this specific smoothie because I needed smoothie that will hold me for the whole day. And we are having almond milk, and of course half teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is antibiotic and antioxidant, high in antioxidants, and I needed that spicy taste of turmeric for the smoothie. Yeah, we're just going to blend all together now. So this is the foaming that we are having. Yeah, that's it. The banana helps us to maintain a healthy heart. And the avocado heart is very high in omega-3 fatty acid and reduce the risk of heart disease. Well, and this smoothie will take you for like 6 or 7 hours. You'll be hungry at all. Yeah, it's so sweet, thick, and it will hold you for last. It's good for your diet. All right. Thank you, guys.